Welcome to the oneAPI Dev News episode for May 2022. You'll be able to get more details and information on these stories by following the links in the description. The first thing on the agenda is the blog Finding Magic in Industry Initiatives, a conversation with Intel's Jim Pappas. Jim has spent most of his 30-plus year career driving standards initiatives and promoting their acceptance. Currently, the Director of Technology Initiatives at Intel, Pappas chairs the CXL Consortium, co-chairs the InfiniBand Trade Association, and is a board advisor of the Storage Network Industry Association, among many other leadership activities past and present. Blog author Rick Johnson talked with Jim recently to ask about his history in high tech, his thoughts on the current landscape, and what makes for a successful initiative. The conversation also yielded some surprises, including Jim's view that the work of creating technology initiatives sometimes produces magic. Next on the list is a great Intel VTune Profiler Performance Analysis Cookbook. This in-depth recipe demonstrates the usage of Intel VTune Profiler server in HPC clusters for interactive performance profiling or accessing performance data for scheduled jobs. Typically, nodes in HPC clusters do not have any GUI context, and this can cause inconveniences when using VTune Profiler for performance analysis. Users in HPC clusters either have to rely on command line reports or have to transfer the result files out of the cluster to view them on other machines using the desktop VTune Profiler GUI. This recipe aims to eliminate those inconveniences by offering a better workflow. Starting with VTune Profiler version 2021.1.1, you can launch VTune Profiler as a server inside the HPC cluster and view the results remotely with the full-featured GUI, requiring nothing more than a machine that can run a modern web browser. Dig into the recipe and see how it works for you. Moving into the game dev world, our colleague Peter Cross recently hosted an episode of the Code Together podcast. Peter and Procedural World's founder and GM Adam Goodrich talk about how AI is proving to make significant changes in the gaming world. Among other capabilities, AI is used to generate responsive, adaptive, or intelligent behaviors primarily in NPCs, similar to human-like intelligence. With the right tools and access to advanced technologies, developers can create more immersive game experiences and take advantage of machine learning algorithms. Listen in to learn how AI is influencing the game industry and the game developer ecosystem. And our final story points us over to a video titled Get Up to 1.77x Boost for PyTorch AI Workloads. This recorded session focuses on how the Intel extension for PyTorch extends stock PyTorch with optimizations for extra performance on Intel hardware platforms. You'll get an introduction to the framework, including Intel's contributions to it, a demonstration on how to install and use stock PyTorch and the Intel extension for PyTorch, and techniques for achieving AI performance boosts. That's all for this month. Thank you for joining me, and remember to like this video and subscribe to the Intel Software YouTube channel to stay up to date with all of the oneAPI dev news. I'll see you in June.